How to use Meta AI. Let's get started. So to use Meta AI, you first need to sign up or log in using your Facebook or Instagram account or your Meta account. Now, after you've done that, you can now start using Meta AI. So to use Meta AI, simply just go to the app itself, log in, and then create a conversation. Now, Meta AI is a AI where you can generate photos, videos, and even ask questions and even generate a lot of codes. For example, you can ask it to tell you or teach me how to code. So let's say, teach me an programming code and then wait for it to run. Now, it will teach you Python, JavaScript, Java, and whatever coding you want to learn from. So, aside from that, you can also ask it questions. How many legs do ducks have? Like, it's the same as ChatGPT. It works the same as ChatGPT. However, it's under Meta. So, you can also generate some images. For example, generate a photo of that. So, wait for it to load, and now it will generate some images that you want. Now, in order to do that, you can also edit the duck. Let's say, for example, edit it out with no water and background and wait for it to load. And basically, that's how you use Meta AI. It's generating some stuff for you. It generates you some knowledge or answer your questions, prompts, teach you some coding, and everything you can think of that's possible. And that is how you use Meta AI or the app itself.